Okay, let's crack the code on the AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administrator exam. Look, you want to pass, and you want to pass now. That's why shortcuts are so tempting, right?
But there's a huge difference between memorizing answers and actually knowing your stuff. Let's break it down. So what is the AZ-104 anyway? Well, it's all about proving you can handle real-world Azure tasks. The whole test is basically structured around 5 core skill areas. Things like identity, storage, and networking. These are the skills that really matter for an admin.
Okay, so that's the what. But what do the questions on the exam actually look like?
Let's check out this first one. It's a whole scenario, not just some simple definition.
And here's another. This one is all about knowing the exact command to run. Super practical stuff.
Now look at this last one. It's pure troubleshooting, picking the perfect tool for the job. See what I mean? If you just memorized a bunch of answers, you would be totally lost. So the big question is, how do you prepare the right way? The goal is real skill, not just memorizing. It's a simple cycle. Review the guide, find your weak spots with tests, and then get hands-on. For that, I really recommend the simulator from certificationexam.com. It's a fantastic tool that helps you build real skills because you get a huge bank of over 430 practice questions. You can run timed sessions just like the real exam and even practice on the go with their app. This is how you walk in ready not just to pass, but to prove you know your stuff.